How to delete a group from a WhatsApp community. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you're here, go over to Community. Here, you can view the announcements and groups in the community. Now open the group you want to delete. Then, go to the top and tap on the group name. Here, you can view the group information and description. You can also manage the group settings from here. Now, scroll down and tap on Remove from Community. Tap on Remove Group to confirm. You have successfully removed this group from the community. You can also tap on Remove Group and Members to remove the group and its members who aren't part of the other groups in the community. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and easily delete a group from a WhatsApp community. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.